Agile Mythbusters. Myth number 4. Agile means no planning. So the important aspect of Agile planning is that it's iterative. So you develop and adjust your plan multiple times as you find necessary. So the goal is to invest time in planning at the best possible moment and adjust to changes easily if they occur during execution phase. Planning is often less visible because Agile teams pursue planning as a series of smaller, recurring activities to ensure that their plans reflects the realities of the present. So this way Agile teams develops a plan that same way they develop products, by revisioning and adapting. You can see that Agile isn't anti-planning, it is anti-static planning. And if you had any doubts about whether Agile is anti-planning, by now they should be busted.